5 as I bang my keyboard on the table yet again. So let's get started with our 2018 Panini Plates and Patches Random Player 1-Box Break number 2. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we'll list everyone in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times, and then we'll match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Michael E619 in the top spot. And we've got Ross 6040 in the bottom spot. Here's our list here. We'll go ahead and cut and paste this over to the right, sort it by everybody's eBay IDs. And then blow it up to a very large font so I can read it. All right. Yeah, I really like this. I like the concept. You know, it's just something that's been around not for very long, but I really like the concept. I like the plate per box. I know it's a little gimmicky, but I really like it. At the price point too, at the SRP that they put it out at, I like that. I think it's a nice point of differentiation in their product. Another very solid job by Rob and Nick down in Irving and their team. Well, alrighty, let's scroll through our list. Yeah, Mark, honestly, I don't think at the end of the day, I don't think there's that much difference. You know, other than I don't think you and I can throw a football 50 yards. You know, I might be good for 20 if the wind's blowing behind, in my direction. Maybe I could get it go 20, 25. And I've got bad knees, so I'm going to get sacked in the pocket about 800 times. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot. It's mostly a mental thing, and you have to have the right people around you. And it's kind of like our team at work. In the right environment with the right people around you, odds are you're going to do pretty well in whatever work environment you're in. And conversely, if you're in a terrible work environment with jerks working around you, you're probably not going to do that great, even if you have the talent and skill sets to perform the job. It's just going to be you're going to be miserable, and you're not going to enjoy much of it, and it's going to be a really hard grind day after day. So, and that's a top-down thing too. That speaks a lot to leadership in any organization, sports organization, business organization. Not much difference there. Leadership sets the tone and the culture, and if it's good, then people tend to prosper in those environments. And if it's not, people languish and they go downhill and they leave. Welcome to my TED Talk on professional environments. $20 off one. You can throw a football 20 yards off one knee. Well, you're far more talented than I am. If I got down on one knee, you'd have to come and help me stand back up. No, I couldn't throw. Shoot. Just getting down on one, that'd be an issue in itself for me. I'll do a TED Talk on organizational leadership and trading cards. See if I can weave them two together. I mean, I could talk about some people I've worked with in the past in the industry. Some of it's good, some of it's bad. I'd probably leave out the bad, accentuate the good. Because there's some folks in the industry that really know what they're doing. Like they know the business piece of it, but they also know the card piece of it, which is very rare to find. But there's a few folks out there that are in leadership roles that they've got that dialed in pretty well. Yeah, that loud pop. I get that sentence. Was that your knee? I'll be like, yes, honey, that's why I didn't want to get down here to get this. See, I don't even try to cough to cover it up. I just let it happen. She knows it's going to happen. My knees are rickety. I've had multiple knee operations. I don't think I have much cartilage left in either one of them. I've got little tiny arthroscopic holes in both of them. From the too much information department. You back, Woody? Oh, you're back? I think I've got some sort of secret for that. Because I've been working from home for... How long have we been home, Mark? Like 6 or 7 weeks now? And I sit in this solid wooden chair. No cushion, nothing. Solid wooden chair. Back's never felt better. Even without sitting in that fancy office chair at work that's supposed to be ergonomically correct and all that nonsense. Back was sore all the time. I'd have spasms. Walking around with my back all jacked up. Walking crooked. Good gracious. Now I bet that is some hard work, Woody. I'm getting there, hee-ho. I'm getting there. Patience is a virtue, or somebody said that, although... Mark, I guess we should stop complaining about our knees. Woody's actually done real work. Unlike you and I, we push a mouse. Hee-ho, what's your ID? I'm on the L's. I would never even try that, Mark. I just wouldn't. I know I'd mess that up. I've got to mount 2 TVs in the house tomorrow, and I'm nervous about it because I don't want to put a hole in the wall. I've got a new drill and everything. I've got to drill through shiplap on our mantle. Not looking forward to that at all. It's going to suck big time. Well, you know, we all make mistakes when we're young. Yeah, our old drill just kind of went kaput, so I figured I'd get a new one. Since we were in the new house, I know I was going to have to put some stuff up. I am a strong believer in it, and this might paint me in a poor light, and if so be it, but I prefer to have professionals practice their profession. I leave stuff like that to the pros. It is pretty cool. It's one of those lightweight little deals. Ergonomic grip and all. Should work pretty well. I just take drilling into fresh walls. A re-roll, I don't think we can do a re-roll, hee-ho. Well, all right. There's our list. Let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. There's our pack. The plate is nice. Just going to say that from the start. All right, our first card is Le'Veon Bell, base. That's serial numbered 20 of 99. There's the serial number there. Nice looking card. Our next card is Deshaun Watson, blue parallel. Do not like that super dark blue foil because you can't see the brand logo. Need to lower that a few shades if anybody there's listening. Rob. And that is serial numbered 15 of 50. Our next card, oh, what could this be? Little triple jersey, Devontae Adams, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, and Jamon Moore. And that is the blue parallel. Got a little three color going on the Devontae Adams swatch. And what is that serial number? It is 3 of 40. It's right down there in the bottom left-hand corner. It's kind of hard to see. 3 of 40. So it looks like we'll have another random for that. Our next card is, ooh, Adam Thielen. Marquee Marks autograph. And that is serial numbered 6 of 25. Nice on-card sig there from Adam Thielen. Very nice. There is the serial number there, 6 of 25. Kind of odd placement. And our plate is, anybody recognize that guy? Just signed a huge extension. Christian McCaffrey, And it's a plate from 2017 Rookies and Stars. So that's a rookie printing plate. How about that? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Definitely one of the better plates to get out of this product. Very nice. Thanks, Keith. We'll see you next weekend, man. Hope you have a good week. All right. I'm going to go check the players real quick, or the people, just to make sure that two people don't have. Put the list here up. Make sure that two people don't, or one person doesn't own two of the players on this triple card. Let's see. Devontae Adams is Davidus 72. Jamon Moore Shooter. And then Marquez Valdez-Scantling is Bubby. So no. Got three different people. Give me just a second. We'll get the random set up, and we'll do that one first. Random off our triple jersey card. I thought that was a pretty nice box. I mean, we didn't hit anything huge out of it, but I thought the McCaffrey rookie plate was kind of a nice touch in that. Okay, got a random set. So I list everybody. I always list them twice. So we've got everybody listed. Adams, Valdez, Scantling, and more. We're going to randomize the list 5 times. Whichever player is at the top after the 5th randomization, that is the spot that the card goes to. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and number 5, and it goes to the Devontae Adams spot. So we'll go back to our list and see who got which cards. So for the triple, that goes to Davidius. I think I did not pronounce that correctly. 72. Congrats on that. Then we'll go to our Le'Veon Bell base. And that goes to Bubby812936SVB. Congrats. Then our Deshaun Watson blue parallel goes to Cubby Cards. Congrats on that. And then our Adam Thielen Marquee Marks autograph out of 25 goes to Terrible Steve K. Congrats on that. And then our Caffrey plate goes to Raw 6040. Congratulations on that. Let's take another look at that. Nice little rookie plate there. And the picture actually shows up good too, since it's a yellow plate. Very nice. Well, all right. That concludes our 2018 Panini Plates and Patches Football Random Player One Box Break number 2. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks. Thanks to everybody that tuned in on the feed live with us this evening. Hope everybody enjoys the rest of your weekend. We'll be back here in a couple of minutes with our 2019 Topps Museum Collection Baseball Pick Your Player One Box Break number 4. Thanks again, everybody. Thought that was pretty nice. Alrighty. Got our big museum collection box coming up. Go ahead and prep the list real quick. We're running a minute or two behind schedule. Not too bad, but